Today we will install the Android CarPlay interface. Pry open the passenger side fender on the right side. Remove the screws. Pry out the wood decorative panel. Take out these 5 screws. Pry out the small decorative panel on the steering wheel control, and then take out these 2 screws. Pry out the button panel. Remove the 2 screws that holding the screen. Then remove the screen and unplug all the cables. Remove these 3 screws under the steering wheel. Pry out the plastic cover under the steering wheel. This is the Android power cord. Thread the steering wheel control wires from our Android power cable to the underside of the steering wheel. Then thread the button control wire on the Android power cord to the button panel displays. Connect with the button control cable which unplugged from the original car, and then insert the other end into the original car button control panel. The screen power connector on Android power cable is connected to the power connector, which unplugged from the original screen. On this side of steering wheel, pull out the original car steering wheel control cable and connect it to the steering wheel control connector on our Android power cable. Then insert the cable answer connector into the original car. This is our LVDS input adapter cable. The green connector is connected to the LVDS cable, unplugged from the original car. This is our LVDS output adapter cable. The green connector is inserted into the original car screen. The screen power cord is also plugged into the original car screen. Plug our power cable and LVDS output input cable into the Android host. Microphone cable, USB cable, CG antenna, GPS antenna plug into Android host. Place the CG antenna and GPS antenna in a location with good signal. It is recommended to put the USB cable in the storage box. Install the screen back to the original car and lock the screws. Once all the button panel with decorative panel, steering wheel plastic covers have been restored, the installation is completed. Now, let's take a look at the effect after installation. Our Android system can support steering wheel control buttons. The button below the screen can switch back and forth between Android system and the original car system. It can support Squeefy, and you can download your favorite apps. You can also connect to CarPlay through your mobile phone. It can support both wired and wireless CarPlay.